Welcome. In this video, we're going to look at how to upload DWG files into Dalux FM. DWG files are CAD files that can contain rooms and can be imported into Dalux FM directly. First, we go to the Locations module, and then we find the building that we want to upload to. You click it here, and then select Drawings and BIM. As you can see, we have no drawings in the building at the moment. Let's hit Upload and select the drawing we wish to upload. Here you can see our file. First we have to give it a discipline. This is to tell Dalux what kind of drawing this is. You can name this freely. We can also give it a subdiscipline. These are going to act as folders in our drawing structure later on. If we leave this blank, we just don't have the subfolder. We want to create a new drawing, since there are no drawings in the building yet. Here we can update drawings as well later on. We want to import rooms, since this is an architectural file and contains rooms correctly drawn as polylines with a layer structure on the text. But more about that in the next steps. We can also crop the drawing in a rectangle if there's a certain area of the drawing we wish to import. But for now, let's hit Next. Then we have to select if we want to create a new floor. Since our building has no floors yet, that's what we want to do. We want to name the floor, first floor, and the floor type is if we have several drawings within the same category that are on the same floor. So this is a way of differentiating what kind of drawing this is again. We have a few options over here in the file format. DWG without areas means that this drawing will be imported without the areas and rooms inside of it. If we hit Custom, then we can select what layers the information are placed in and then getting the rooms and areas with us. Let's hit Next. Here we have the layer type, and this is the layer name from the DWG file. If you have rooms and areas drawn as a polyline inside of your DWG file and placed in a layer, then you can import them. The same goes for room number and room type, as well as other fields. They just have to be in a corresponding layer, and then we can map it into Dalux. So now I have entered my layers from my DWG file, corresponding to what they contain. Then hit Next. Here you can see the layers from our file, and we can deselect if there are areas that we do not wish to import. But for now, let's leave it as is and hit Next. Here we can select on our room parameters what FM attribute we want to distribute what CAD attribute into. For instance, this one, we want our room number to go to room number and function to go to room type. We can also select if there are several others over here, but for now we have what we need. Let's hit Next. Here you can see a list of the rooms in our file. This also means that the rooms have been found correctly. If we have existing rooms, we can update those and connect those to the drawing now. But since we don't have any rooms in our building yet, they will all be created. Let's hit Next. The same goes for the gross area. And we can hit Next again. Here's the confirmation that we are adding 16 rooms and adding 1 gross area with these parameters on the rooms. Let's hit Confirm. And now we can see that we've added the first floor with our architectural drawing right here. Closing down this, we can then also see that on the location module, we now have the first floor containing architectural and our drawing. Here you can see that the rooms have been correctly imported. This means that you can select multiple rooms by holding down Control, view and edit room data here, and also place work orders, assets and so on directly inside the rooms on the drawings. You can also get net and gross areas shown over here. If we now go back and reopen our building and drawings and BIM, we can add several levels or more drawings to the level that we have already created. This was all for this video. See you again next time.